Hi everyone. Here we're going to define tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant in the circle. We already have the basic definitions for sine, cosine, and tangent in the circle because the adjacent is the x value and the hypotenuse is the radius. The cosine is x divided by the radius. Since the y value is the opposite side and the radius is the hypotenuse, the sine is y divided by the radius. And since the y value is the opposite side and the x value is the adjacent side, the tangent is y divided by x. We're now going to define three new trigonometric functions that are the reciprocals of the original three that you know. Secant is the reciprocal of cosine, so secant is the radius divided by x. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, so cosecant is the radius divided by y. And cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, so cotangent is x divided by y. Moving into the unit circle, where the radius is 1, we've established that in the unit circle, the cosine of theta is the circle's x-coordinate, and the sine of theta is the circle's y-coordinate. And since we know that tangent is y divided by x, we get that the tangent of theta is also equal to the sine of theta divided by the cosine of theta. And then, using our reciprocal definitions, we get that secant of theta is just 1 divided by the cosine of theta. Again, it's cosine's reciprocal. Cosecant of theta is 1 divided by sine of theta because it's sine's reciprocal. And then cotangent of theta is cosine of theta divided by sine of theta because cotangent is tangent's reciprocal. And now that you have this basic definitions, now you're going to go back and do a lot of the stuff that you already did, but now you're going to also use the secant, cosecant, and cotangent of the angles in addition to the sine, cosine, and tangent.